ராமானுஜதயாபாத்திரம் ஞானவைராக்கியபூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத்வெங்கடநாதாரியம் வந்தே வேதாந்ததேசிகம். சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்று சொன்ன வழமொழியுள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வே. We are into the 24th Pasuram of Amrita Ranjani. This is also from Tattvatraya Chulakam. It is about the description of Achetanam, the 24th Pasuram. And it also refers to that the Achetanam is the Sariram of Sriman Narayana. Mugguna Mayayin Muvettin Keelvarum Muvagayum Ikgunamindri Ilangiya Kala Churi Inamum Nargunam Ondrudai Nagamum Narayanan Udambai சிற்குணம் அற்றவை என்று உரைத்தார் எங்கள் தேசிகரே. முக்குண மாயையின் எட்டின் கீழ் வரும் மூவகையும் இக்குணம் இன்றி இலங்கிய காலச்சுழி இனமும் நற்குணம் ஒன்றுடை நாகமும் நாராயணன் உடம்பாய் குணம் அற்றவை என்று உரைத்தார் எங்கள் தேசிகரே. எவ்வளோ ஆச்சரியமான பாசுரம். Swami mentions about the Achetanams here, and Swami describes that Prakriti or Maya goes off into the 24 realities, and among the Prakriti there are three types among Achetanas: Prakriti, Kalam, Suddha Sattvam. So of course there is the fourth type, which is Dharma Bhuta Jnanam, and this Achetanas are the non-soul other than the Jivatma. So Chetana is a soul, Achetana is a non-soul. The Achetanas, it does not possess any Chaitanyam, it does not possess any life or the Dharma Bhuta Jnanam, the knowledge, knowing capacity. It does not possess the capacity to know things. It cannot do either good or bad deeds. It lacks the capacity to derive enjoyment or suffering, which are the fruits of good or bad actions. That's why they are called Parak. So in this, the Prakriti, the first Achetana, is the abode of the three gunams, namely Sattva, Rajas, Tamas, three gunams. So the Achetana Vastu is known as Prakriti. This refers to a Vastu with three gunams: Sattvam, Rajas, Tamas. Sattvam is a noble gunam, is a quality of matter which creates in Jiva the good knowledge and happiness. So it will encourage the Chetanan to perform good deeds conducive to the journey towards moksham. Rajas creates misunderstanding, actions. This gunam will instill the desire, will instill the aviparita jnanam, distorted knowledge and misunderstanding. Tamas creates laziness, idleness, immobility, sleep, perversion, etc. This is inferior or the lowest of gunam among the three gunam. It promotes distraction, it promotes ajnanam. So the relationship between trigunams and Srishti, the creation, as well as the pralayam, which is the deluge or destruction, when the three gunams are of equal proportion, the great deluge, Mahapralayam, takes place, and every created object enters into the Lord's stomach for protection until the next cycle of creation, Srishti, comes. our Lord takes a sankalpam, He wills when the Mahapralayam will take place. Only then the three gunams will stay in a state of perfect equilibrium. When the three gunams are not in equipoise, they undergo changes, variations such as Mahat, Ahankaram and the like. As the three gunams shift from ascent to descent, or Prakriti transforms into many kinds of vastus, there are no limits to the permutation and combination of the three gunams, and lead to the extraordinary variety of the Lord's creations, Nama Rupa Prapancham. And that is what is mentioned here about the Achetana. Achetana Tattvam. Achetana is not conscious of itself. It reveals itself only to others. This is known as Parak Tattvam, or an entity that shows itself only to others. So Swami mentions here Murguna Mayayin Moovettin Keelvarum Moovagayum Iggunamindri Ilangiya Kala Churi Inamum. So this time and the Suddha Sattvam. Nargunam Ondru Udai Nagamum Narayanan Udambai Shirkunamattravai Endru Uraittar Engal Deshigare. So this Prakriti, which we talked about, Sattvam Rajas Tamas Gunas, the Kalam, which is time, which is the second Achetanam, which is the means of it happened, it is happening, it's going to happen, the past, present, future, day, fortnight, month, year, the yugams, all that, the time, Kala Tattvam. And then we have Suddha Sattvam. Suddha Sattvam is the third Achetana, which is blemishless matter, is the one which is not mixed with either Rajas or Tamas, and contains only purest Sattva Guna. This can be seen in the shapes of Paramapadam, which is the permanent Sri Vaikuntham. The bodies, the Divyamangala Vigraham of Perumal, even in our Shaligramam, even in our temples. So even among Nitya Suris, the Nitya Suris are made of Suddha Sattvam. The Mukta Atma, like if we are here and we attain Sri Vaikuntham, we take the form which is Suddha Sattvam. And all these are Suddha Sattvam. The Divya Mangala Vigraham in our kovils, in our temples, are Suddha Sattvam. The Shaligrama in our Kovilalvar is made of Suddha Sattvam. The variations of Suddha Sattvam appear as Sri Vaikuntham, and the objects found there, it splits in its way into many units of time. So the Prakriti, Kalam, Suddha Sattvam are three Achetanams. The Moola Prakriti with its three Gunams, Sattvam, Rajas, Tamas, enters and subdivides them into Prakriti, Vikriti, Prakriti, Vikriti, then into 24 further divisions. Kalam, however, does not possess the three Gunams. It splits into day, hours, seconds, yugam, year, like that. So the variations of Suddha Sattvam appear in Sri Vaikuntham, but the variations, like it's full of Suddha Sattvam. All the three Achetanams, insentient, are the body of the Lord, whether it is Prakriti or whether it is Kalam or if it is Suddha Sattvam, are all the Sariram of Perumal, and they do not have Jnanam of their own. Just like the Jivatma has the Sariram, and the Sariram does not have Jnanam. It is the Jivatma which has the Dharma Bodha Jnanam. So the Jivatma is also a Jnana Swarupi. It has an attribute which is called Dharma Bodha Jnanam. That Jnanam, the attribute, will contract or expand. It gets contracted in our Samsara Sagaram. When it attains Sri Vaikuntham, it is fully manifested, it is expanded in its fullest maximum state. That is what is mentioned. So we are all Ivai Narayanan Udamba Shirkunam Attravai என்று உரைத்தார் எங்கள் தேசிகரே. ஸோ தே ஆர் ஆல் பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஷரீரம், பெருமாள் சரீரம். கவிதார்க்கிக சிம்மாய கல்யாண குணசாலினே ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேஷாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமः. அடியேன் தன்யோஸ்மி.